You can see the metal pipe there is rubbing. I need it by Friday. So yeah, master cylinder is out. So what is up, everybody? Welcome back to another beautiful, glorious day. So I just flew to Motor Factors in Tallaght there. I just had to get myself some rubber P-clips. Also got myself some new brake hose. So we're going to trim them back and route the rubber hoses a different way because they're catching on the steering. So let's get back and do that. Even though it's raining, stuff has to get done. So I have all my stuff here. New pipe, new fittings, new riv nuts, new bolts, new everything, drill bits, whatever I need, P-clamps. So what I'm going to do is just cut it here and then I'm going to run a pipe. See the way it's running up there and it's rubbing. Now with some light on, you can see the metal pipe there is rubbing. So that ain't going to do. I need to cut that back and run a pipe from up there down around the end. Yeah, so yeah, I'm not going to film this. I'm just going to get it done and show you when it's finished. Let's go. Now we have a brand new rubber hose. You can see here going all the way down, all the way to here, coming around, so it's no longer near the steering boot. So that should be good, no more grabbing. It's all done. The opposite side of it underneath, all looped, all tightened, all good. So yeah, out with the old and in with the new. I'm going to charge this battery for a bit because it's flat and start this bad boy, put it back on wheels and bring it on the spin. Now with all that done, steering fixed, no more banging or notchy. Happy days. All the wiring done down here, all this nice and neat. Dashboard is in, everything is working. I just need to charge the battery and get it running and test all the lines. The new lines that I've done, make sure there's no leaks. So yeah, I'm soaking from being on the ground, but I don't really give a shit. I have a few days to get this car done, up and running, brakes done. So what I want to do is get the car running, back down on its wheels and just drive it around the estate, then bring it back, bleed the brakes again, and so on until the brakes are done. So we'll come back when the brakes are hopefully painlessly done. Onto wheels. We are back on wheels, we are down. I'm just going to let the handbrake off, let it roll a little bit, settle it out, get this battery hooked back up, have it on charge about an hour now. Hopefully it has enough juice just to start the car so I can up and down the garden a few times, test the brakes, see if I have anything. If I have a little bit, test drive. Okay, so we're not doing so great. The car won't move when I put my foot down on the brake with the handbrake down. As you can see, let off, we are rolling, but there's not much braking. So maybe I just need to do a shit ton more brake bleeding and hopefully that will do it. Now we are a new day. We are back up on the axle stands. We have our easy bleed kit right here. Now that we're getting fluid to the back lines, I want to take the wheels off, bleed all corners again, do it 2 or 3 times and then check the pedal. Reservoir all filled up, all looking tidy. Let's get these brakes bled again. So we've bled and bled and bled and bled and I just can't get pressure in the boosting system. I don't know what, I'm just going to have to read up about it and come back to it another day because I've bust my fingers. I'm just not in the humour now, so we'll come back to it. So that's Andy just gone. He gave me the bad news. So I need a new master cylinder. So it's out. He took it with him. He said he's going to try and rebuild the seals, but I'm just going to order a new one online. I think they're like €150. I don't want to spend the money, but I need brakes and I kind of want it for the Born Brina show. So yeah, master cylinder is out. He said there was no pressure going to the front, so he said it must have been a flipped seal. So he's taking it off, taking it apart to see what it is. If it needs seals, I can order a seal kit, but I am going to get a new one to put in now and then have the other one as a spare. So yeah, I'll come back when I order that and hopefully get it in the next day or two. It's now Wednesday, so I need it by Friday to get it fitted on Saturday to drive it to the show on Sunday. So yeah, stick along for that. So it is the next day, it is Thursday. We have a new battery and the car starts perfect with it. We also have our new master cylinder on the way, so that's not going to be here until tomorrow, hopefully. If not, then we're not going to the show Sunday, it's not getting fitted tomorrow. But yeah, make sure you give this video a like, subscribe, and yeah, be dedicated. This is everyday occurrence, stuff that happens every day. You never know what's going to happen. Delays. So yeah, subscribe, peace out, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.